jilcaaway laba oday oo Soomaaliyeed oo qiimo kula bulshadeena ayaa waxa ku jirtay gabar cadaan oo dareeb gareynaysay meesha u jeedaan bulshada ka dhacay gaarigeeda waa gaarigaas madow ay saaqay ayada hadda waa la xiray labadii oday mid Allah u naxariisto ku geeriyooday odayga kalena waxa la sheegay haatan inuu ku jiro isbitaalka uu ku jiro waxay ka soo socdeen dhinaca waxay
we found that this SUV over here had been going northbound on Military Road. There were two men in the middle of the road, and the vehicle hit the two men. I guess one of the men was drug under the car for a short distance. Both of them were injured. The one that was drug under the car was transported to Harborview, who later died at Harborview. I understand that the other gentleman that was struck is going to make it, and that he does have some injuries, but not that serious. We just arrested the female that was driving that vehicle for vehicular homicide. She's going to be taken to the King County Jail and booked investigation of vehicular homicide, and that's really all we have right now. The driver of the vehicle has been placed under arrest for vehicular homicide, basically DUI vehicular homicide for a suspected impaired driving.
inay ku socotay isbiid xoog weyn waxa la sheegay inay laba jeer ku noqotay qofka hore markay ku dhacday dib loogu soo noqotay marxuumka dhintay salaxle TV baa duubaya waa cali ayaa idin duubaya aniga maxamed awdoon oo dile Allah u naxariisto odaga dhintay kan kalena Ilaahay ha u fududeeyo dhaawac soo gaaray waa maasii